In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design thumbnails in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great starting point, bring it into your workspace, and get it ready to customize for your own project. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can actually use the file we're about to grab. Once you're on the home page, look for the community section. This is where designers share resources you can duplicate and edit, which is perfect for quickly building thumbnails without starting from scratch. Inside community, use the search bar and type thumbnails. The capitalization isn't crucial, but it matches how many creators label their files. You'll see a range of options from bold, colorful styles to clean, minimal layouts. As you browse, check for details like the frame size. 1280 by 720 pixels is standard for YouTube, and look at preview images to see how text, images, and color are used. If you're designing for a brand, choose a template that leaves room for your logo or uses a layout that meshes with your style. When you find a template you like, click into it to open the file page. Here, choose Open in Figma. This will duplicate the resource into your own space so you can edit it. Give it a second to load. If the file uses specific fonts or components, Figma may prompt you to replace or install them, which helps keep the design consistent. Inside the duplicated file, select the specific thumbnail design you want. It's usually a frame, so click the frame name in the Layers panel or directly on the canvas. With it selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to copy. If the thumbnail is built with nested components, copying the parent frame will include everything inside it, which is exactly what you want. Now switch to your own project in Figma, the file where you manage your designs. Click into the page or canvas where you want the thumbnail to live and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. You should see the entire layout drop in, ready to edit. If you notice missing fonts or colors, update them in your project so the thumbnail matches your brand. A quick tip here, keep the frame size consistent, and when you scale elements, hold Shift to maintain proportions. Replace placeholder text with your title, swap in your image, and adjust colors for contrast so the thumbnail pops at small sizes. That's it. You found a template in Community, opened it in Figma, copied the design, and pasted it into your project, ready for customization.